Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Geometric GM. The geometric mean G of n positive values of a variable x1, x2 up to xn is the nth root of the product of the values. So G is equal to nth root of x1, x2, x1 into x2 into x3 up to xn. That is x1 into x2 into x3, product of x1, x2, x3 and nth root. Now taking logarithm of both sides, we get log Gn. Log G is equal to 1 by n into log x1 into x2 into x up to xn. So it comes to 1 by n into log x1 plus log x2 plus log xn, like that up to n terms is equal to 1 by n sigma log x. So G is antilog 1 by n of sigma log x. So we find that the logarithm of Gn of x1, x2 up to for n variates is equal to a arithmetic mean of the logarithms of x1, x2, x3 up to xn. Use of geometric mean. It is used to find average of the rates of continuously increasing changes like population, growth, etc. It is considered to be the best average for the construction of index numbers. Merits and demerits of geometric mean. Merits. It is not influenced by the extreme items to the same extent as mean. It is rigidly defined as its value is a precise figure. It is based on all observations and capable of further algebraic treatment. It is useful in calculating index numbers. Demerits. It is neither easy to calculate nor it is simple to understand. If any value of a set of observations is 0, the geometric mean would be 0 and it cannot be determined. If again any value becomes negative, geometric mean becomes imaginary. Properties of GM. The product of n values of a variate is equal to the nth power of their GM, that is x1 into x2 into up to xn is equal to g to the power n. The logarithm of GM of n observations is equal to the arithmetic mean of logarithms of n observations. The product of the ratios of each of the n observations to the GM is always unity. Taking G as geometric mean of n observations x1, x2, xn, the ratios of each observation to the geometric mean are x1 by g, x2 by g, like that, xn by g. If g1, g2 are geometric means of different groups having observations n1, n2, like this, the geometric mean G of composite group is given by G is equal to G1 n1 into G2 n2, that is raised to the power 1 by n, that is nth root, where n is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 up to, if log G is equal to, so the log G is equal to 1 by n is equal to n1 log G1 plus n2 log G2, that is up to nth term. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.